making the bread again, and this time I'm actually going for light crust and not regular. And these are the ingredients. You cannot see. Basically, it's the basic bread, but with an added half a teaspoon of yeast and another teaspoon of Himalayan salt, and what else was there? Oh yeah, and a little bit more of pepper and Italian herbs. So there's still butter, 2 different types of flour, water, salt, yeast, and sugar. So it's not really much difference. I wanna hope this turns out good. So right now it's actually the first process, which is actually mixing the dough, which it looks really dry, but I think once it works into it, there's enough moisture. Because the last few times there wasn't enough water anyway, so I feel it's kind of strange, but yeah. So that's it. Mixing for the first time, which I already saw for the first time. So this is what it looks like right now. Oh, it speed up. And this is one of the, I guess it's one of the pet peeves that I have is, you know, the sides where the dough hasn't got that flour. Now it's stuck there. Well, that's kind of like annoying me a little because they didn't get that flour. So I feel like because this tabletop is a little bit slanted, so that's why it's staying in that corner. If I tilt it a little bit, it's gonna move to the other side, but in a way it's kind of kneading it and mixing it in that area, so it's okay because it's got some friction and it's kneading, so mixing, I guess. So the bread dough has come together. I kind of helped it a little, and I tilted the bread machine so it got the little bits in the, in the corners, but now it's kind of like messy. It looks actually quite wet, actually, the dough, which is interesting because before it looked really dry. I guess the butter inside kind of melted a little, so there was a bit of moisture. The bread is done, and keep warm mode, and you might press this to turn it off, I think. That's turned it off. You have to hold the button or be on keep warm mode, which will keep it, call it hot. It is actually very hot now, so I'm going to unplug it first. Ooh. And take out the bread. Oh, it's very hot. So this time I actually went for the light crust control, and this is the bread. It didn't rise a lot, but let's see then. I'll take it out. So this time the dough hook actually got stuck, so oh, that's very hot. And then I have to take this dough hook out, which is in the middle of the bread, and then I need to flip this over. I actually like eating these bits. These like bits that didn't even get mixed into the dough, but they taste like breadsticks. I want to take this out right now, but I know I can't because it's too hot. So I might need to get chopsticks to get it out. So this is the bread. It's actually quite soft, and the crust is not as dark as the other ones that I've made. But I'm gonna actually let this fully cool down. Like, I'm gonna give it 45 minutes to cool down, which hopefully will be not as dry as it normally has been, I guess. But yeah, so this is the bread. this is the bread, finished product. So it's actually quite soft, which is what I want, which is quite good. And it smells really good.